Good morning, children. Today's topic is ascending order and descending order. Let's check. What is ascending order? Yes, we arrange the numbers into smallest to greatest. That is called ascending order. Then what is descending order? Descending order means we arrange the numbers to greatest to smallest. That is called descending order. Ascending order is an increasing order. Okay. It is also the forward counting. Descending order is also known as decreasing order and it is the backward counting. Okay. We can check it through the numbers. Ascending order. Ascending and descending order. Okay. Ascending and descending order. Okay. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. We can draw a number line. Starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Here we start from the smallest number 1 to 9. This is forward counting. This is the increasing order. This is called ascending order. Okay. Then when we count the numbers in the reverse order or backward counting, that means first we start from 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is backward counting. This is the decreasing order. This is called descending order. Okay. Check some examples. Here given some numbers 5, 7, 8, 2 and 3. Okay. First we can arrange these numbers into ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Then in this group of numbers, the smallest one is, yes, 2. 2 is the smallest one. Then we can write 2 first. Okay. Then next, remaining 4 numbers, 3 is the smallest one. 3. 2, 3. Then increasing order of forward counting. 2, 3. Then next, 4 is not here. Then 5. The next 6 is not here in the group. Then next one 7. Then the last number, that is the greatest one in this group, that is 8. This is called ascending order. Okay. Smallest to greatest or forward counting or increasing order. Next we can check another example, that is descending order. We can arrange the numbers in descending order. We can take some numbers 6, 1, 4, 7 and 3. Okay. We want to arrange the numbers in descending order. First we arrange the numbers in ascending order. Then this group of numbers we can arrange in descending order. Then we know descending order means we start from the greatest number or biggest number. In this group of numbers, the biggest one is, which is the biggest one? Yes, it is 7. Then we write first 7. Okay. The next one, backward counting 7. Then 6. Yes, 6 is here. Then we write 6. Then next 5. No 5. The next 4. Yes, 4 is here. The next number 4. The next, yes, 3. Then 2 is not here. The next one 1. This is descending order. This is called descending order. Okay. Then today we discussed what is ascending order and what is descending order. Dear children, in your textbook, Page number 108. Some works are related with this topic, ascending order and descending order. You have to complete it that. Okay. Thank you.